Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so in today's video, I am at the Salvation Army closest to me. So this is the first time I've been in this store. They don't look like they have lots of home decor in comparison to the store I'm used to. They look like they have more clothing. But we're going to take a look at what they have anyway. So let's walk around and see. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, if you're trying to grow your channel, then this is the right place for you. Head on over to my community tab, and there you're going to find the calendar of events for that month. And what you do is you write down the date and you write down the collaboration that fits more with your niche. Use the hashtag and I'll be more than happy to add you to the video. This is a blessing for me. Now, I absolutely love when I get to join in helping you guys reach your 1,000 subscribers and especially your 4,000 watch hours, because that's not an easy thing to do, and I've already been there. So I feel blessed to help you, and I am so excited to celebrate with you when you reach that point. Now remember also that this is a good way of meeting other content creators. This is also a good way of joining into our community where we all support each other. We all work with each other to run the playlists and encourage each other with words and prayer. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Now remember to have a beautiful and happy and healthy and safe Thanksgiving. Amen.